Now, if you're wondering why Bitcoin is crashing, your answer is right here. Elon Musk and SpaceX have been selling more than $300 million worth of Bitcoin that they bought in the Bitcoin bull run, which actually means they've been selling at a massive loss. This is a daily crypto update. My name is Greg BTC, and this morning I woke up in Manila, Philippines in my Asia tour, so you guys can check it out. It's amazing here. About to go for a run, and I know it's still late in most places out there. I am in GMT +8 right now. Okay, so let's get to it. So what's happening is Bitcoin in the last 48 hours have been crashing heavy, and a lot of people do not know what's going on. Number one is the Elon Musk story. SpaceX, Elon selling the Bitcoin over time. This has been reported by so many other sources on Twitter, but Twitter is coming out through community notes and putting a tent to every post and say, no, that's not what happened. This is not verifiable. There is no way to confirm that this is actually what happened. However, from the sources that I have seen, I think this is exactly what happened. But Elon and SpaceX do not want people to know about this. Number two is China. In China, one of the largest companies, they call it Evergrande. And these guys have been the second largest real estate company, just filed for bankruptcy in China. This company was already having some issues a couple of years ago, and when that happened, the market didn't do well. Things were crashing. But it was just before things started to rise again, right around the pandemic period, at the beginning of the pandemic. So if you remember the Evergrande challenge, this was a company that was in trouble, and then it tried to recover it, and now it's basically confirmed that they just filed for bankruptcy yesterday. So this might be a result of high interest rates in the macroeconomic scale of things, and this might just be the trigger, the beginning of a much bigger drawdown in the market, or a little bit of a crash. As we may know that Michael Burry as well. Michael Burry, I talked about this a few days ago, that he is short. Now it's more than 80% of his portfolio. He's shorting the stock market in the US, QQQ, and the S&P 500. So these might be some of the revelations that we're starting to see piling up. And he's not alone. George Soros is also short the market entirely. And I told you about these guys, and maybe these guys know something that we don't. And the good news is that I was short, and I woke up to incredible profits this morning. This morning at 4 a.m., I jumped into the Alpha group. I found the Alpha trading session, the Alpha group. Edward and the guys were going through it. I shared a trade that I was going in. I went in on Rune. I shorted Thorchain, Rune, USDT, with $30,000, and with this morning I woke up with a couple of $1,000 worth of profit. Shout out to everybody in the Alpha group who took this trade with me when we were in Discord, but also to all my one-on-one students that I've given we have been short for over a month now. We started shorting last month, even at the beginning of this month when the Fed raised the interest rate. So it has always been a clear indicator that the market was downward. The nitrous bull has been short for a while. So for those of you guys who have been paying attention and not listening to all the noise of all the influencers screaming Bitcoin is about to pump and whatever, this is a good moment for us. So congratulations. Even though the market is overall down, we are actually in massive profit, which means we can take those gains and buy more Bitcoin, buy more crypto, reinvest. That's the strategy. When the market returns up, we even generate even more profit. So I'm gonna go for a run right now. And for those of you guys who are in Manila, Philippines, and in Tokyo, all the one-on-one students, I'll see you soon. For the rest of you guys, I have, for some of you guys, you want to, if you want to take crypto trading seriously, you have to be part of my bootcamp starting the 1st of September. Everybody who want to take trading seriously and trade and work with me for 1 month straight, this is your opportunity to change and become more profitable with your crypto. So the link is in the description below. I'll see you guys soon. And remember, the rules of the game never change. By the dip, right now I think it's a good time to start averaging into the market. All right. And if you want to join the Alpha group also, where I share my trades and things, what I'm investing in, what I'm doing, the link is also in the description. All right, guys, peace out.